What is up, you guys? Welcome to another episode. We are here with Emily again, and we are on the same lake that we finished up on the last episode. So what we're gonna do this time, we're here, it's like 7:30. So we're gonna go ahead, go down this bank with all this little grass right here, and then we are going to throw frogs through all this grass, and we might flip a little bit, but mostly throw frogs because there's no wind and it looks pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and throw frogs through this, and then probably chase schoolers with A-rigs like we did in the last video. So let's get to fishing. This, what? Do you see that? Oh my gosh, because I have sunglasses. There's like a 7-pounder right there. There's like a 7-pounder right here. I had like 2 3s on, or no, it was a 3 and a 4. The 4 got off. Oh, shoot. This man's going off again. Oh my gosh, that sounded. Oh, it's another one. Dude, let the other one eat it. Oh, shoot. She got him. Got him.
First fish in 2 days.
Oh, yeah.
Not bad.
Good one. It's a 3. Oh, yeah. All right. Oh my gosh, I don't know. No, it's a good one though. There we go. Quality fish. We're looking for a big one. But oh my gosh, they're schooling so hard. Quality. Got him? Yes. They were right there in the exact spot yesterday. Oh shoot. Oh, that's a good one. She's putting on a clinic. Heck yeah.
Dude, that was so unexpected. It's not even
good one.
Big. It's not bad.
Not bad.
They're all like the same fish.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
They're all the same size. Oh, this one's meaner though.
Meaner?
Yeah. He's pulling back.
His mouth closed.
Oh my god, he's like all the way in phase.
Got off again. Got him this time. Oh my gosh, it might be I don't know if it's a big one or not. It's not fighting. It's like a 2-pounder with a bunch of frickin' grass. Holy crap. About same size?
Sorry.
You good? Mine's around. Okay. Oh, okay. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh my gosh.
I probably got that on your camera.
Yeah, I did.
Dude, I thought that was gonna be a small one because when the one that jumped was not that big.
Oh, that's one. Little babies on the jerk bait. Little babies. Oh my gosh. Dude. Don't do this. Don't do this. Oh! Just give me the wires. No, it's like 3. Unless it's actually a grown up.
Finally! Dude, that makes me so
Oh
happy.
my
I can't
gosh.
believe I'm lying. Heck yeah.
That was cool. Boom.
Wait, what if you do? Yeah.
Yeah, you're good. Well, I got to the end of this video that I just edited, that y'all just watched. That short video that was like 5.5 minutes long. And I saw that I did not record a outro after Emily and I were done fishing. Austin was also on his boat, like across from us fishing for the majority of the time. And I just wanted to tell y'all, that is the last video from this trip. If y'all haven't seen the other episode, I really recommend watching it. It is a lot better than this video. There's like a 6.5 pounder in there, another 6, and a bunch of 5 pounders and 4 pounders in there that we catch on A-rigs. I will put that link in the description below, or you can wait until the outro. The little outro deal comes on after I'm done talking. But that video is a lot better than this one, and if y'all have not seen that video, I really recommend watching it. I know that I don't really post videos that are less than 10 minutes, and I just think that every once in a while having a video that's a little bit shorter than 10 minutes or you know, 6-7 minutes-ish, I'm thinking just to throw something out there for y'all to watch, just some sort of content. So this next video is going to be the tournament from Ray Roberts that we fished, and we placed 8th out of 200 and something boats with about 10 pounds. For 5 fish, Justin and I. So this is the next episode of the whole THSBA series. So that's going to be really cool, and I will try to drop that video pretty soon, sooner than 5 to 7 days, which I usually base my videos on. I usually post every 5 to 7 days. I will try to get this video out in like 3 to 4 days so y'all can have something a little bit longer to watch. Thanks y'all so much for watching, and again, if you have not seen that video, please watch it. It's a great video. It's just an all-around great video with some awesome fish catches. But folks, that is pretty much it. Thanks y'all so much for watching, and we will catch y'all on the next video. Peace.